Assalamu alaikum dear students. Dhaka Secondary School, subject Social Studies, Class 3, month of August, session 2021-2022. Student, our chapter is Climate. The topic is Weather. Dear kids, what is weather? Weather is the hour-to-hour, day-to-day change in the atmosphere. It does not remain the same. Weather gradually changes from rainy season to the sunny and from sunny weather to the snowy. Now my dear student, let me tell you about the types of weather. Weather can be cloudy, hot, rainy, cool, windy, warm, snowy, stormy, foggy, cold and sunny. Now we will study one by one these types of weather. You can see in the picture that there is a sun. So when there will be sun top on the atmosphere, we can say that the weather is sunny. Now the second picture is of the clouds. Clouds are in front of the sun. So my dear kids, we can say that it is a cloudy weather. Similarly, when there will be raindrops coming from the sky, you can say it is the rainy weather. So my dear kids, I hope that you understand about the types of weather. Now we will study about the climate. What is climate? Climate is the average weather patterns in an area over many years. It includes temperature, means hot or cold, and precipitation, means wet and dry. My dear students, there is a little bit difference between the weather and the climate. What is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is short term, but the climate is long term. Weather can be daily, weekly, but the climate is usually 30 years or more. Weather changes all the time and varies from place to place, but climate seldom change. Hope dear kids, you easily understand these differences between the weather and the climate. Another thing that is related to weather and climate is season. My dear students, we all know that there are 4 seasons in the year, and these are spring, summer, winter and autumn. Spring, the month of spring are March, April and May. And what happens in spring? New leaves grow on the tree. Now after spring, here comes summer. And the month of summers are June, July and August. What happens in summer? Leaf turns green. There are vegetables and fruits grow. Now after summer, it comes autumn. The months of autumns are September, October and November. What happens in autumn? Leaves fall from the tree and it turns into yellow. After autumn, there is a winter. The months of winters are December, January and February. And what happens in the winter? There is cool breeze blowing around and people used to wear the warm clothes. Now my dear kids, hope you understand the seasons as well. Let's come to another topic. Here is the picture of an earth. My dear students, you all know that the earth is like a huge ball. We call this shape a sphere. It is not quite round, but is flattened at the top and the bottom, at the north and south poles. My dear student, you can see a line between the earth. This line is called the equator. Now I will tell you how seasons, day and night are formed. My dear students, you can see in the picture, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. The different seasons and climatic conditions on the earth are caused by its revolution round the sun and by the tilt of the axis. Places that are close to the equator are generally hot throughout the year. Places that are further away from the equator have different seasons. As the earth turns around, half of it always facing the sun. it is daytime, the other half is in darkness, night. This is the end of the topic.